G'day guys, and welcome back to Bali. Currently in my hotel room, but I'm about to head out to go for a surf. Now, I haven't been surfing in probably about 12 years, and even then I wasn't very good at it. I mainly just did bodyboarding. But let's go and try surf with the new Hero7, and let's see how the stabilisation goes in this camera in the water, and just have some fun. Tops, let's go for a surf. Let's give it a whirl. Got Tommy here to give me a little quick lesson because, like I said, it's been 12 years since I even gave it a go. Board's broken though, so I gotta get a new one. Haven't even started. Good start. Oh, that's cold.
Okay. Now get better.
I hope so.
Okay, get on the board.
Oh.
Yeah.
Getting there.
That's one.
Morning guys, alright, it's the next day now and we're heading out to the Bali Tree Top Park. So come with me as I go find my driver and we will be climbing some trees today, flying some foxes and all that good stuff. How do you reckon my surfing attempt went yesterday? You know what? I'm trying, okay? I'm trying. That's the main thing guys, keep trying, try something new, or try something old and try it again. Whatever, just have fun, just enjoy it. Let's go have some fun and let's enjoy it.
Okay, we've made it to Tree Top Park. I'm going to switch the camera into just normal attachment. Let's do it.
This is shite. This one defeated me.
You want to get down right?
Oh, a push on there is fine. Ready? Holy moly. I'm really unfit. And this really shows it. Time for flying fox. Oh no, I'm not fat enough. Who would have thought I wouldn't be heavy enough to make a flying fox work? I only just tried to surf again for the first time in 12 years yesterday. Hardly even got up that often, and now I'm going to get on a wooden surfboard up in the air. Sure, why not? Oh God. Okay, that was fun. Next. Oh, that's better. So am I holding on to this? Yeah. Good time to tell you that I'm afraid of heights. Oh, okay. And 3, 2, 1. Woo! Oh! Oh, I ripped my arm. No. Damn you guys, that hurt. Like, can you see? It's been healing, but ow. Yeah, that was pretty crazy. That was a fun day though. That's it for today's vlog. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoy watching me try to surf, both up in the air and in the water. And next week I will be heading back to Bali for another few days. And I think I'm going to spend that entire time just trying to go surfing and trying to get better and trying to stand up for longer. So that'll be good fun. And I've got this weekend where I've got on call for a whole weekend, so I may be sent someone within Australia this time. So if we do that, we'll take this camera and we'll go vlog around Australia. Otherwise, thanks for watching, subscribing, liking, all that good stuff, and I'm going to see you all in the next video. Alright, countdown is on, 22 days until we go to Japan. P.S. you guys, I've just reached 300 subscribers. That's so awesome. Thanks so much for everyone who has subscribed so far. You're amazing. We're smashing these little goals out to get to the goal of 1,000 by the end of the year. Although we only have about 2.5 months left to do it. So keep sharing and telling all your friends, all right? Thanks guys, love you all. Catch you next time.